When you
Hey, I guess
The
magazine.
story of snow.
read it, Chess Martin. Read us the story of something.
Okay,
Martin, read us the story of something.
Okay. Okay, I'll read it. October 17th, 2014 was our first time seeing White Sugar. We never heard this band before. At first, we were a little distracted and not very interested in the songs. But when the solo of Snow started, we were drawn to that beautiful melody.
Oh, Dios.
And the moment Martin Wyatt began to sing, "Hey, oh, listen what I say," Amy grabbed my arm and said, "I love this song." Amy grabbed my arm. Where was I? She said, "I love this song. Love it too." Then I picked up my phone and started to film. She said she couldn't stand music that is too noisy. While Snow is soothing, Snow is the kind of song you just click the first time you heard it and never get enough of it. I know it was a cover song, and I'm pretty sure this one was the most amazing version. After going back, I googled the song's name. Turns out we guessed right. It is called Snow by Red Hot Chili Peppers, and I checked the video I took. White Sugar's version is truly flawless. I converted it into MP3 and listened to it a lot. So this is the story of Snow. Maybe I wouldn't have been such a fan of White Sugar without this song.
It's a good thing we chose that song, right?
I'm really happy we chose that song. Goodbye is the hardest because you leave with memories. We don't say goodbye, we say
See you later.
Yeah, that's what we say.
I miss you, White Sugar.
Wait, miss us? We're still here.
Who are
When do you
these guys?
graduate?
These guys are awesome.
Yeah, I gotta see these guys.
Yeah,
Who
I
are
want
these guys?
to watch this band.
Yeah, who are these guys? When do you graduate, Terry?